Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. And in this video, I want to show and tell you how to copy the link to your Instagram account. It's a very simple way that takes a couple of seconds. To do this, we need to go to our Instagram account. Now we click on the three bars in the top corner. Now we click on the QR code, and here we see the button, Copy Link. Let's click on that button. Now we have copied the link to our account. This function has appeared quite recently, and if you have not sent the application yet, you will not have this function. In this case, click on the three bars in the corner, then click Share Profile, and then click Copy. And also you can copy the link to your account. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done! There is nothing complicated. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.